What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber to our YouTube channel already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I wanted to give a big thank you to all of our subscribers. We are now at 70,000 subscribers. You guys are absolutely amazing, and it really warms my heart to know that we have that much support. I mean, you've been there from the beginning. You know, I just made a video like this at 30,000 subscribers not too long ago. So we're gonna continue to listen to what you guys are asking for and deliver that to you. So this year, we've heard that you guys are looking for more installation related videos, and you know, Dreamedia is growing rapidly throughout the country. We have all the industry leading manufacturers and have really great relationships with these manufacturers. And we're highlighting a lot of that to really show you guys all of the best products available. And I know we've been doing a lot of, you know, consumer mainstream products like Epson and Klipsch for audio as an example. And this year what we're going to be doing is trying to dive a little bit deeper into some higher end brands and giving you guys more options to choose from, as well as kind of getting into those installs more. You guys love those installation videos where we walk you through and show you step by step how to actually perform these installations and give you inspiration. We've been doing a lot of just recaps and quick overviews where I go in and show what we've done, and a lot of that is due to COVID and the fact that I have a new baby. So it's been a really crazy year, to say the least, but with our preferred partner program growing throughout the entire nation, we have preferred installers. And if you guys haven't seen the Dreamedia Installs channel, we'll put a link to it somewhere around here. Go ahead and subscribe to that. We started it kind of whenever we were first getting into YouTube, and it has a couple thousand subscribers, but what we're gonna do is start posting on a daily basis to the Dreamedia Installs channel and showing you guys how to run cat cable, how to mount TVs, how to install an in-wall speaker, really just every single possible installation related topic we're going to put on that channel, and still continue to bring those daily videos to you guys with new and exciting products that are hitting the market, as well as quick reviews of systems. I'm going to be traveling to different parts of the country and highlighting some of our preferred partners and their work, as well as some of the installations that have been completed. So a lot of really cool and exciting things coming here in 2021, and we have you guys to thank. I mean, the support is just amazing. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. All right, guys, well, thank you, thank you, thank you. We're gonna keep on keeping on. Drop some comments down below. Let us know how we can do better. Give me some inspiration as to things that you want to see on the channel, and we are going to do our best to make that happen. All right, that's all I got for you guys today. If you would like to purchase anything home theater or 2-channel audio related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed, and all those industry leading top manufacturers that you guys love. And we're going to keep growing on that as well. All right, well, until next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.